Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ here, and today I'm going to show you how you can pass through a USB storage device to a VM in Hyper-V. So as you can see at the minute I have my VMs in Hyper-V, and if I come to File Explorer, as you can see I have this test USB. So to pass a USB through, the first thing we need to do is we need to make the USB that you currently have plugged in offline, so that it can then be passed into the VM. So to do that, if you come to search and you type create, and then you open up create and format hard disk partitions, then if you scroll down the list and find the disk that is your USB, so for me that is disk 1, and then you right click on it and you tell it to be offline. Now once the USB is offline, if you then come back to your VM in Hyper-V and you then click settings, the VM can be on or off, it doesn't matter, and then you just want to click on SCSI controller, then you want to have a hard drive selected and click add, and then you want to select physical hard disk here, and then if you had multiple USBs in offline mode plugged in, you would select the USB that you wanted, but as you can see I only have one plugged in that is offline, so that is disk 1, so I'm going to leave it with that selected, and if I now click apply, and then I start the VM up, if I now open up File Explorer in the VM, as you can see the USB has now been passed through to it and we can access the data on the USB. And then if we just want to eject the USB from the VM, all we have to do is come back to settings on the VM, go to SCSI controllers, and then select the one that is under your SCSI controller. So for me that is the second option here, and then click remove, and then apply that. So if I now look back in the VM, as you can see the USB is now no longer there. So guys, that's as simple as it gets. If you like the video, don't forget the like button. If you dislike it, hit the dislike button, subscribe, content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.